back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making blondies. First thing I'm going to do is mix together my melted butter, granulated sugar and light brown sugar. Add in 2 eggs, vanilla extract, I'm adding in plain flour and a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm now going to fold in 190 grams of dark chocolate chips, but you can use white chocolate chips if you want to. I'm now going to add my mixture into my silicone mould. I have preheated my fan oven to 180 degrees. I'm going to bake this in the oven for 28 to 32 minutes or until the top has set and lightly browned. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.